When we were growing up, I'm sure we all did our times tables a little bit like this. Of course, most of us use scaffolds for our kids. I'm sure many of us have used 100 square to show pupils that there are recurring patterns within the times tables. Now, knowing your times tables by rote is of course useful, but actually being able to see pattern within a number really helps develop that curiosity and understanding of mathematical sequences. Now, we can do some pretty cool cross-curricular learning with this, using that mathematical times table pattern and textiles. Now, what you need are 2 different coloured pieces of card, some sellotape, and a decent pair of scissors. Now, if you cut pupils square pieces of card, you could then get them to cut 10 equal strips. So there's a wee bit of measuring the sheet and dividing it up to make sure every strip is the same width. Once you've got that, you want to get 1 piece of sellotape and stick all these down. So if you stick one vertical, you want to stick the other one next to it horizontally. Now, using this, we're going to do some weaving to create some 3 times table tartan. Just a wee tip, it's actually quite a good idea to fold these all the way back before you start weaving. Then it's just a case of taking your time to look at the times table pattern and weave accordingly. And bit by bit, you can weave yourself a wee times table tartan. Now, if you want to be a real misery guts, you can get your kids to actually write the numbers of the times table on the tartan. But personally, I think a cool thing to do is to leave it blank and then to have pupils investigate and see when they carousel around the class if they can guess what times table other people have done.